Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video now. We are here with another anime that I'm going to be checking out, and one is called Chainsaw Man. I thought I want to check it out because it seems like, I don't know if you guys saw my reaction to a death battle video called Gojo versus Makima. In the video, I was thinking if I should react to Chainsaw Man, and I've been thinking for like almost a month. And now, I think I have the chance to do it. I don't even know. I've never seen this series before, and I thought, like, yeah, I guess I could check it out. It seems new to me, so I guess I'll have to learn. I'll try my best to learn some stuff in this series, so yeah. There's only season 1. Don't know if there's a season 2 or something. There's only 12 episodes, so I guess I'll go through all of them. So yeah, if you guys are new to the channel here, make sure you are subscribed. Anyways, let's go ahead and check out this episode. The first episode, I mean. Well, whatever you want to call it. So what you got? What's this? Walking through a dark alleyway. Who's that? Who is breathing deeply? What the frick? What the? Where are we? What the frick? Okay. This is some strange anime. What the okay. So, what's his name? What's this guy's name? What the? Oh, gosh. Why was there a saw on his head? What the... What the frick? Okay, that is weird. That many eyeballs? What the heck? Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. Okay, and this is the opening? I know Makima. Oh, that's her right there. That's her right there. That's Makima. I know Makima. So, I don't know the rest of the characters. I think there's only 4 main characters I saw in the opening. So, I'm guessing... I don't know. I could be wrong. I could be wrong or right or anything else. I don't know. So, yeah. That's why I'm watching this, so I'm gonna have to learn. I'm gonna have to learn about these characters, what they do, what they eat, what they like to do. What the frick? Don't show me more boobies. What the heck? This. Oh my gosh. What the? Was that a chainsaw on his head? What the Oh. What the frick? I have so many questions right now. um. Oh gosh. So that's his pet chainsaw there, huh? Should I even call it the pet because he uses it as a chainsaw? No, no. I don't know what you guys call it. I've never seen this before, so don't spoil more. I'll get into the series, and so is Spy X Family because I'm still watching. I'm still continuing my reactions to Spy X Family. I have a runny nose. Jeez. What the? You good? Damn, he has sharp teeth there. Wow, he did not swallow it. Oh gosh. I don't know what's the best romance anime I could find, but some people say it's Horimiya. I only watched one episode. I don't know more about it. Who's that? Oh no, it's still him. It's still the main character. Oh, there's a threat there. What the? Oh, that's just. Oh, you call him Shangsa. What? What? Oh, what? What the frick? Oh gosh. Oh. Be careful with your saw there. Nice your dream there, huh? He agrees. Oh, who's that? Oh, patrol the area. I'll find out who's the most powerful character in this series. Mm, I like this anime style. Uh, not the. Huh? What the? Um. What the frick? Um. Do you got a plan or something? Oh gosh, he's losing a lot of blood. What is he? I don't. Oh my gosh, he's feeling weak right now. Oh, the exit. Zombies are still smart. Oh. 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 Oh gosh. Oh. Is he dead? You can't survive with that many wounds, right? Oh, he's done. He is done. No. Don't tell me you're alive. Or is this a flashback? This is a flashback? What the? What? Oh, wow. He's back from the dead, huh? So that I'm doing that, it's just I got a runny nose. Jeez. It's like I can't breathe out in my nose. Oh, he's back from the dead. Nah. He's back from the dead. Wow. He's healed. He healed you. His body parts reconnect to each other. I have no idea that happened there. Uh, um, you just got thrown haymaker. You just been you got thrown haymaker. Been I freaking don't know how to say it. They're throwing haymakers on you. Are you gonna think of something, or you're just gonna die again? Please tell me. Please tell me you have a plan. Oh! Oh my gosh. Damn, that's insane. That is insane. No, he's not. Damn, that he's getting you. He is killing you now. Oh, wow. His head is full of metal. Is made of metal. Or yeah. Damn. Nah, he's not gonna listen. Ooh. Damn, this is Demon Slayer 2.0. No, I'm kidding. But this is crazy. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. I thought this guy was gonna die, but the pet chainsaw healed him and turned him into this. You just got rolled, boy. Not the main character, the demon or whatever it is. Oh yeah, that is a full pack of blood. That is a full pack of blood. Kill all of them. Every single one. He's crazy. There's no way of taking out every single zombie there. Oh my gosh. Alright. He's back from the dead. I thought he was gonna die, but he's back. Oh my gosh, he did it. Makima. It's not a human or a devil. Hug. What the? Oh. What the? Wow. Oh, that's it? Oh, wow. Okay, so that was it there. Hold on, let me check if there's anything in the credits. Nothing in the credits. Okay. Well, looks like I'm done. Episode 1. And now, I'll continue with Chainsaw Man. I think, yeah, that was the first episode was well done. It was actually well done, man. I enjoyed that. That was that was crazy there. There was so much gory scenes there, and there's a lot there. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I don't know what you guys think about this, but to me, it was amazing, man. I enjoyed that first episode of Chainsaw Man. So yeah, I'm gonna check out more. Just let me know if you want me to. Yeah. If you enjoyed this video here, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.